What is Bitcoin's consensus mechanism? Bitcoin uses a proof-of-work consensus mechanism. Bitcoin's proof-of-work algorithm generates a hash for each block. The algorithm used to secure the block's hash is called SHA-256, Secure Hash Algorithm 256-bit, and it always generates hashes with 64 characters, making it secure and safe from hacking. When a Bitcoin transaction occurs, it goes through a security verification by nodes. Nodes add transactions into blocks and miners work to generate the block's target hash. The winners who mine the block get to add it to the blockchain and are rewarded newly minted Bitcoin from each added block. Here comes the big question: is Bitcoin centralized or decentralized? Bitcoin's centralization or decentralization is directly proportionate to its proof-of-work consensus mechanism. In the Bitcoin network, each CPU has one vote. The Bitcoin network is secure as long as the majority of honest nodes collectively control more CPU power than any cooperating group of attacker nodes. Since most miners are joining the top mining pools, the mining pools grew into controlling the majority of Bitcoin's hash power. Mining pools are also considered nodes. Over the years, Bitcoin's mining pools grew so large that the top 3 mining pools have over 60% hash power and incidentally the majority of the voting power. The mining pools in Bitcoin can be found in the description section below. At the time of this video, the Bitcoin mining pools have the following hash percentage. 1. Foundry USA has 27.6% hash power or 72.08 exahash per second. 2. Antpool has 20.4% hash power or 53.28 exahash per second. 3. F2 Pool has 17.1% hash power or 44.66 exahash per second. According to a blockchain security analysis performed by the U.S. Department of Defense (DARPA), 3 of the top 4 Bitcoin mining pools have the same ISP, Internet Service Provider, which makes them vulnerable to a DDoS, distributed denial of service, attack. More on that later. Below are some examples of ISP and DDoS. ISP- is an Internet Service Provider, take Elon Musk's Starlink for example. DDoS- a distributed denial of service attack involves multiple connected online devices collectively known as a botnet, which are used to overwhelm a target with fake traffic and make it go offline. An example of DDoS is during Black Friday, some website services go offline and stop working. That is an unintended DDoS in which the ISP cannot handle all the individual requests. Below is a link to the article from DARPA, Trail of Bits on Blockchain Security and Decentralization. Did Satoshi Nakamoto foresaw that in time, the Bitcoin network will grow into centralized mining pools? We'll let you be the judge of that. Please tell us your thoughts in the comment section below. We read all comments. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so that we can reach more people through YouTube's algorithm, which can rank us higher.